Hey guys, it's Carter, and today I just wanted to take a really quick look at Nvidia stock because I think it could be foreshadowing the major market move that could take the market by storm in the January-February period of 2026. We're also going to share through an Elliott wave point of view where I think Nvidia stock could be trading by mid-2026, possibly quarter two. So join me in this video. It should be quite interesting. Buckle in and enjoy the ride. So here on the daily chart of Nvidia stock, we're trading at $187. And since the low at around 170 in November, we've rallied in three waves. So this is in no way indicative that a major low has formed here at 170. No, this three-wave rally is more indicative of a potential B wave that is forming here. So the high confidence pattern that's setting up right now is an A wave move down that finished in mid-November. And we're seeing a B wave to the upside right now that I'm not saying has for sure topped. It could still head a little bit higher, but provided we see a break of $172, which I think is likely in the January-February period, we're going to be heading to much lower levels on Nvidia stock in a C wave. And that's where I think a meaningful low could form to then take Nvidia to higher levels. Now, we need to see a break of this $172 support for this ABC pattern to be really confident that the C wave is playing out. Until we break 172 to the downside, this is still the high confidence pattern, but we need to see the break of $172 support to really increase the likelihood that the C wave is playing out, which also happens to be this head and shoulder neckline right here that we could be forming. And it also has a projected target within this projected support area here. Provided Nvidia holds the $140 level in a sustained way, so it doesn't see a sustained break below $140 in the January-February period, we are probably going to be heading to much higher levels by quarter two 2026. So yes, I do see a drop as being likely in January and February here on Nvidia stock, but provided we don't see a sustained break below $140 right here, I believe higher levels are going to be coming in quarter two 2026 and possibly take us towards $250 to the upside and even higher. So $250 to the upside I think is completely possible because in the grand scheme of things here, since the April low of Nvidia stock right here, I'm counting this as a wave 1 right here, wave 2 right here, wave 3 that topped in October, a wave 4 that is going to probably take us towards the 156 to 140 level here on Nvidia stock in the January-February period. And I believe that's where we're going to form a meaningful low for a wave 5 to take us to higher levels by mid-2026, where I think we could see a much more major top in Nvidia as well as the stock market. So yes, I do see downside in the next couple months here on Nvidia as being very likely, but provided we hold 140, I think 250 is a reasonable target for the fifth wave to the upside by mid-2026, where I think the stock market could also top as well. So that's all I got in this video. Take care. Have a good one.